Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover files from a corrupted drive with WD, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Ensure your WD drive is properly connected to your computer. Open the disk management utility on your computer. Locate your WD drive in the list of drives. Check the status of the drive. If it shows as unallocated or raw, take note. Download and install a reliable data recovery software that supports WD drives. Launch the data recovery software. Select your WD drive from the list. Initiate a deep scan for lost files. Wait for the scan to complete. Once the scan is finished, browse through the results. Select the files you wish to recover. Choose a secure location on a different drive to save the recovered files. Click the Recover button to begin the recovery process. After recovery is complete, verify the integrity of the recovered files. If the drive still shows signs of corruption, consider formatting it. Remember to back up your data regularly in the future to prevent losses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.